Morning, everybody. It's Mike here at Find Your Cards on a beautiful Saturday morning. Looks like the sun's going to peek out, and look at my front window. There's a bunch of people out smelt fishing on the ice. Welcome to another Find Your Cards box break. It's a 2010-2011 Pinnacle box break. Alright, we're going to cover just a few things here first. The current time, it's of course Saturday, February 16th. I'll do a refresh here to get the proper time. It's 7:05:35 Eastern Standard Time. So there we go. Alright, and of course I go to the last auction. This will show you the box that we're just about to break, and it shows the last bidder who won the last team. So we got 24 Beach Bunny picked up the Winnipeg Jets. Congrats on that. Hopefully a nice Atlanta Thrashers hit, of course, or if it was anything vintage Winnipeg Jets, it goes to the Jets according to the Find Your Cards rules. Alright, so I'm going to turn you guys around. We'll cover a couple other things here, and then we'll carry on. And just bring up the camera, because otherwise it could give you guys whiplash. Alright, so let's get into position here. This down just a touch here. Alrighty. So I'm also going to cover the box with the serial number and the people who won each team. So first, here's the list of the winners for each team. Alrighty, there we go, guys and gals. Alright, so our box here. So there's our box. And the serial number on this one is NE89916365. As most of you know, normally I'll bust it the night that the auction finishes. But last night finished late here on the East Coast, so I'm opening up this morning. Alright, so let's get started on this. Get some nice hits here. Just in the store there today, or yesterday, and they had a new case in, and the guy that works in the store decided to, he actually hadn't busted it before, but in that new case, he decided to bust some, and he was quite happy with the product too. For the longest time he kept on holding out, because he was like, well, he's a bit of a Heroes and Prospects fan, so he kept on busting that and busted that, but figured for something different, well, he got, what did he get? Dwayne Wilson private signings. But this box doesn't come from that case. This is from the old case, which I brought up every box except for one. So hopefully we get one of the private signings. So wait, before I do that, here's the empty box. Squeeze it the best I can, because of course I got those cards sitting there in the way. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to do no rhyme rule, raise it to the order. I don't care if it's a fat one or not a fat one today, just because every time I do it the other way, there's usually the spacer cards in there, so. Alright, so we'll start things off here. And of course this one wasn't one of those ones, so actually I was hitting that first one. Alright. Usually I like to try to go to the hit last. Every once in a while it fools me because it's sitting right at the front of the pack or the back of the pack, so then I have no choice but to go to the hit earlier on. But on this one, nice start to this box, I'd say. Yeah, for the Edmonton Oilers, it's a Jordan Eberle game used with a nice bright orange, and it's number 493 of 499. There we go, Jordan Eberle. That's a real nice start. And that goes to Matt. Matt's definitely one of the regulars here. Find Your Cards breaks. So congrats to that. Actually, I think it's one of the first times you picked up the Oilers. You picked them up, and sure enough, you get a hit right off the bat. Oops, one stuck behind there. I watched a bit of Spurs game last night there, but I ended up falling asleep early, so I actually don't even know the results, so I'm going to have to check that out after. I'm finished up here. Of course, I'll send this all over to you guys first, but Following that, check my sports scores and highlights. It was a good way to start a Saturday morning. At least one of the ways I like to start it. Tonight, though, definitely going to watch the Leafs game. I'm going to miss that one. Alright, so another hit in this one. I'm going to start at the back as we pull out. But still keep my eyes open because a couple times on the last one, the Artist's Proof was in with the game news. So, whoa, sweet! Nice patch cards, a prime for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Of course, it's Christian Hansen, but still, Leaf collectors will be happy with that one. And that is Matt as well. So it's a good box for you to start there, Matt. And this is number 21 of 25. So that's a nice patch with seam on both sides. Seam there, seam there. Nice hit there. Of course, I presume the one you want to see right now is a Nazem Kadri prime would be probably the one that we'd be all looking for, what he's been playing. Alright, for the Anaheim Ducks, we got Saku Koivu. We're doing this in the morning, so you should do it at night. Alright, so we got Ilya Brizgalov for the Coyotes. So far the two 5-packs both had the game news, so let's see if it keeps up that trend. This is rare for me. Usually it's the exact opposite way, so kind of surprised. Oops. Wrong pile is putting me with the hits there. Alright, so we got Icebreakers for the New York Islanders, Nino Niederreiter. Oh, hey, there we go. Actually, that's a very nice hit for the Detroit Red Wings, which goes to 9,107 Miller, 459. It's a Thomas Tatar Icebreakers auto. It's a very nice hit. I'm happy with that one. And it's number 28 of 299. If it was 21, of course, that would be much bigger, but still, hey, like that hit. It's a nice auto. Thomas Tatar from the Red Wings. There we go, nice hit. It's been a good box so far. We got a couple other good hits here still. Still got time to go. Jacob Josephson, Icebreakers for the Devils. I'm very happy with that so far. one I really want to get to one of those, the 6-player game news. That's one I haven't seen yet. Love to get one of those, especially if it was the patch one. Okay, so Chemistry and Canvas for the Washington Capitals. Backstrom and Ovechkin. Chemistry and Canvas. Checking out how I see Tumarutu card over there. Hurricanes probably can't wait to get him back. What a big piece that'll add to that team. Because they're already seeming to get a little bit more chemistry going. Some nice young players there. With Fall. Of course, the 2 Stahl brothers. Cam Ward's pretty solid goaltender. Gene McBain has the potential still there. Alright, so we got Tim Thomas saving face. Tim Thomas, now the Islanders, which just seems weird and sounds weird to say. Actually, I don't have any of his rookie cards. It's got to be almost even weird seeing his rookie card. Considering how far he came back, and I believe it was what San Jose originally came up with. Alright, so we got tough times for the Boston Bruins. It's Bobby Schmutz, or Schmutz? Bobby Schmutz, tough times. Alright, so we got Icebreakers rookie is Alexander Vasyunov. It's for the Islanders. I'm not the Islanders, I mean the Devils, sorry about that one. Otherwise I'm looking at my Islanders. No, that'd be the Devils. It's an Icebreakers for the Devils. Alright, 6 packs to go. Let's get something good. I think there's going to be something in there. I have that feeling. One more hit. Alright, so we got a parallel for the Chicago Blackhawks. Patrick Sharp. It's a nice looking card. Nice looking action shot. Check out the facial hair on Elsner there. Trying to stay warm during the Winter Classic, I guess, there, eh? On to 3. Alright, so now we get the regular one. Icebreakers for the Devils. So you get the parallel and you got the regular version. There you go. Now all you need would be there as proof for that one. As always, don't worry guys, I go back through to review the cards to make sure that, but there it is. For example, there is proof. I still check through and make sure I didn't miss anything. It's Jonathan Quick, artist proof for the Los Angeles Kings. Him down the splits. Something that I definitely can't do. As a first baseman, you used to get a half attempt at it, and then next thing you know, I'd be in pain. A couple hamstring injuries later. Oh, I think we're going to have a good one here. Here we got a hit. But we do. Alright, so we'll start back here. Clear it out first. Alright, so what are we going to get? It's definitely game used. At least Dory's got the stock of it. Of course, these have some of the autos are thick like that. So we got, nice. For the Penguins, Jordan Stahl, Pinnacle Threads, Authentic Threads. Quite a big fan of those. I like those cards. And that's another one to 9107, 459. So you got a nice couple hits in this box between Tatar and the Stahl. It's your first break with me, I believe, too. So congrats. Alright, last pack. Here we go. Let's see what we can get. Let's get something. I'll still take. It's a doubles for all the icebreakers this time, pretty much. It's an Urban. Alex Urban from the Devils. Icebreakers. After I go through these, I'm just going to review them quickly for you. In case any of you missed something there or want to see what it was again. And you're ready. So here we go. Who are the Devils? It's Enchanted Moonlight US. So we got Irwin. We got the Stahl. Threads. John Quick as proof. Vasinov. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but doing the best I can with my Russian names. Patrick Sharp. The Parallel. Tough Times, Bobby Schmutz. Same Face, Tim Thomas. Chemistry and Canvas, Backs from Ovechkin, Capitals. Actually, was it all the icebreakers this time in the autograph? No, we had one Niederreiter. Jacob Josephson. So you pretty much, I think, got all your 10-11 Pinnacle icebreaker rookies in one box. Thomas Tatar. Auto. Number 299, so that's a big hit. Nino Niederreiter. Ilya Brizgalov. Zach Koivu. It's actually a really nice box. Really happy with this one. Christian Hansen Prime. Number 25. And of course, again, it was number 21 to 25. He's what, number 20, I believe? Out by one number. And we started off very first pack with a sweet hit. The City Lights, Jordan Eberle. So congrats everybody who got a hit there, and thank you everybody else who came along. Watch out for more future auctions. I got a box of Limited and a box of Zenith finishing up tonight there in Finding Cards. I believe they're finishing between I think 8:45 and about 9:45. The Limited finished first, then the Zenith. Just for letting you know, the Zenith, last time I had, 3 autos, 5 game use. Of course, sometimes it's not like that, but they have the odd little hot box in there, so it's got some good ones. These boxes came from a new case, so I'm hoping to get another hot one like that. Yeah, so thanks again, guys, and in the future, I'm going to be doing a monster box break. It's going to be at least 20 boxes, possibly more, so keep your eyes open for that. And if you have any other boxes that you're interested in me breaking, let me know. Alright, take care.